What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Just kidding. Welcome back to another video, y'all. Thank you all for watching as usual, for all the support y'all been giving me. I told you I'm gonna say that in the beginning of every one of my videos. So thank you for the support. I love y'all, and we going to the top, baby. So today we got a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the master cylinder out. It's actually the master cylinder and the brake booster, but I'm not really gonna show too much on the brake booster, just the master cylinder. So let's get into it. And this lighting is really killing me right now, so let me let down my sunlight is destroying my view. Get my flashlight, you dig. Big B's with a few C's. Just kidding. Let's see how much lighting. Oh, that's pretty good lighting. Let me turn this radio. Oh, I don't want to get copyright. All right, so let me put this camera down. Try to find a nice spot.
2 hours later.
God damn.
Much later.
I don't know where to put this there. Alright, hopefully that's a good spot. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to take the battery out. So take your terminals off. Already did that. It's 2 10mm for the terminals. Take your 2 terminals out, and then there should be a 13 down here where it holds the battery up all the way down so that it doesn't hold. So let's start at 13. Second, what you're gonna do is get your 10mm back. Well, actually, first, you want to get this out of the way, but you don't have to take it all the way out. You just want to take it off from over here. Boom. Just like put it to the side or something. I think that's interfering with the view. Yeah, it kind of is. So the next thing you want to do is get the battery tray out. You know, there's 3 10s. Battery tray out of the way. And then you have two lines, one right here, one in the back. And those both are 11s. So I'm gonna take these plugs off first. Just these two. That's the only thing that's really relevant. You have 2 11mm, you need a line wrench, and then you have 2 13s, one here and one over here in the other corner. But first thing that you have to do is you're gonna need to take the whole reservoir out. It's a little clip in there. Well, it's not really a little clip, but it's like a, right there. That has to come out first. So what you need is, I'm gonna do this with some cutters because cutters actually grab. There. You pull that out, and then the whole reservoir becomes, you know, wiggly so that you can move it. So at that point, you see anything back there, man? You see anything behind that? Behind what? Behind that master cylinder? Oh, I didn't take it out yet. Okay. I'm doing it right now. So this part gets really messy, especially if you have a full reservoir. So you want to grab a couple rags, and this comes off really easy. You just pull it to the side, just pull it over to the side, grab it, and then pull it up, boom. So I put some rags on top because it's gonna try to push more fluid out. Then you want to get your 11, make sure it's a line wrench. This is the line wrench. Okay, why is it not focusing? That's a line wrench. 11. Bring it over here. Now, because without those lines out of the way, you can't get to the second one, the second screw. So now next we're gonna get our 2 13s out. 1, too. And there's the master cylinder. Boom, just like that. So in this case, I'm not going to change the master cylinder. Supposedly there's an issue with this O-ring. So I'm supposed to be just changing the O-ring on it. So let me just go make sure, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so I'm back and I just changed the O-ring. So supposedly this O-ring on here is supposed to be a little bit smaller. So we're gonna put it back in and see if this fixes our issue. Master cylinder goes in like this. I hate this part because it's gonna squeeze juice all over me. So I'm gonna cover it up. Boom. Alright, so we're gonna put our battery tray back in. Make sure all your plugs are up top. Battery tray sits in place. 10mm back. All that in place. Three screws. Battery back in. Alright, so everything's back in place. Let me get my thing back up. What I'm gonna do is put this on. Boom. That literally just sits up here. Like so. Pops down over here. Boom. Alright, so everything's in place. Now all I have to do is fill it up, bleed the system, and then see what we get at after this. But I guess I'm going to conclude it here because the hard part's done, which was a lot easier than a lot of you people probably thought. So I know I haven't posted in a while, you guys. I've been kind of busy, so I haven't really been able to sit down and get the camera right or whatever. So, but thank you all for watching as usual. That's how you do a master cylinder on a 2014. No, I'm recording. People are always asking me that. But yeah, that's how you do a master cylinder on a 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. Gang baby, gang baby, gang baby. I'll see y'all on the next one.